Station of the Honorable Ridon. Cash or bank deposit as declared in the SALN vis-a-vis transaction in the AMLC report vis-a-vis the total net worth likewise in the SALN.
Yes, just before proceeding, Madam Chair, I think we would want to particularly note that from 2007, when we had received copies of the SALN, um, the net worth of the Vice President was just 7,250,000. But there were transactions that had gone through her accounts amounting to 208 million pesos. I think the same is clear in the other years. No, we'd like to highlight, for example, 2009. She had a SALN of 18.8 million, but 704 million had gone through her accounts. We'd like to state for the record as well, 2010, net worth of 16.2 million, but the transactions going into her accounts was 648 million. For 2011, 14.2 million, but transactions going into her accounts were 597 million. For 2012, net worth is 22.1 million, but going into her accounts in 2012 was 407 million. I think the same is true in other years, Madam Chair. It is just a bit smaller, but it speaks to the clear disparity from what had been stated in the year-on-year SALN's net worth of the Vice President, Madam Chair. Just for the record and before proceeding.
Madam Chair.
Confirm from the AMLC. With regards to your reported transactions, does it mean cash transactions? It's
Not-
just a yes or a no?
No, not only cash transaction.
Not necessarily cash. Honorable Ridon, are you finished with your...
No, we will deal with the rest
Let's
of the
allow
report.
him to finish first, and then I will call you Honorable
We will
Suntay.
deal with the rest of the report, Madam Chair, because this is just about VP Sara. There are two personalities in the report, including Attorney Carpio. Please proceed with inflow transactions. Number 6.
Inflow transactions, a review of the identified inflow transactions shows a total inflows of approximately 1.51 billion with identified inflow activity identified only during the period 2006 to 2022. These inflows largely dominated by credit memo transactions amounting to 1.41 billion, which account for majority of the recorded inflows. Other notable sources of inflows include check deposits totaling 48.33 million, deposit transactions amounting to 45.73 million, and cash deposits of 4.95 million, while fund transfers 6 million, inward remittances 0.99 million, and salaries pension credits 1.05 million represent relatively minor portions of the total inflow.
Yes. Meron po dito nakikita natin yung mga inflows, no? Maganda po siguro we can read for the record as well. Kasi magkakaiba po ito, hindi po ba? From doon sa binasa ho nating nauna. Ito po yung inflow transactions. Ibig sabihin, ito yung mga pumasok na
Tama.
mga kaperahan sa mga accounts. Tama po ba?
Tama po.
Sige po. You can just read the grand total from 2006 to 2022, please.
So for 2006, grand total 122,156,866 pesos and 28 centavos. 2007, 105,094,767 pesos and 87 centavos. 2008, 22,225,157.35, 2009, 372,464,396 pesos point 16 centavos. 2010, 323,282 323,282,749.01. 2011, 215,637,944.42. 2012, 199,058,755.08. 2013, 96,852,782.94. 2014, 2,500,000 pesos. 2015, 23,796,782.94. 2016, 9,066,071.43. 2017, 9,866,071.43. 2018, 3,500,000. 2019, 6,293,000. 2020, 1 million. 2021, 800,000. 2022, 1,003,000 pesos 967.31. Grand total 1,514,599 1,514,599,312 pesos and 22 centavos.
Siguro po para malinaw, Executive Director Benaventura, ibig sabihin ho ba from 2006 to 2022, ito po yung pumasok na kaperahan sa account ni Vice President Sara, 1.5 billion over the course of these years. Tama po ba?
Tama po.
Ngayon naman po, puntahan ho natin yung investment-related activities.
Madam
Bago tayo
Chair.
mag-proceed, labas pa ho ba ito doon sa total transactions o kasama na po ito?
Kasama na po. Kasama.
So inclusive, no?
Apo, inclusive po.
Siguro po, can we read for the record yung paragraph 12, investment-related activities?
Madam Chair, with the kind interjection of Honorable Ridon, just a very quick clarification.
With the indulgence of the Honorable Ridon, okay lang ba?
Yes, please proceed.
Honorable Sendanya is recognized.
Thank you very much, Madam Chair. Thank you very much, Representative Ridon. I'm looking at the third column in the previous table, yung pong column on check deposits. Can we flash it again? The inflow that was...
Please flash.
Ayan po yung third column. Pwede po bang pakilagay dun sa mga taon ng 2019 to 2022? Ayan. 2019 to 2022. Nakikita ko po dito, tama po ba, may we request the Executive Director to please read the entries for the check deposits for 2019 to 2022.
For 2019, 6,293,000. For 2020, 1 million. For 2021, 800,000. For 2022, 1,003,967 pesos and 31 centavos.
Pakituloy na po hanggang 2023 and 2024.
Please flash the 2023 and 2024.
Wala na po
Sige
sa
po.
table.
Dito lamang po sa Madam Chair, a very quick observation. From 2019 to 2022, meron po mga cash deposit na na-flag sa account ni VP Sara Duterte